Welcome to Landman Central's Document Generator tutorial.
To create documents in the Landman Central Document Creator, you will first need to create or type up a document template. You can do so in the provided text editor, or you can copy and paste from another text editor, such as Word. To get started, we're going to copy and paste from a Word document into this Landman Central text editor. You can see this is a simple example for a title member information document. To populate these fields for name and email, we need to tell Landman Central precisely what fields to use. We're going to go to the left side of the screen under the Available Data Fields drop-down for title member. We're going to find the name field, but before we click on it, we're going to click into our text editor where we want this information to be populated. You can see our cursor is to the right of the name : text. Now when we click on the available data field for the title member name, you can see a specific text identifier has been put in place where our data will eventually be. This tells Landman Central exactly what field of what data you want to populate in this document at this specific cursor point. We're going to do the same for email, and as you can see, the title member email text identifier has been put in place. Now that we're done selecting our data fields we want to be populated, we're going to save this document template for future use. We're going to call this title member contact card. And when we save it, you'll notice on the left it populates under this Available Templates menu. This is very useful for in the future preventing a lot of time spent creating these documents over and over again. To demonstrate this, we're going to delete all of this text in the text editor, and you'll see our cursors at the very beginning. We're going to go ahead and click on Available Templates, and you can see the text we just saved is now populated immediately with all of our specified text identifiers already in place. The next step is to select the data you want to populate in these fields. To do so, we need to tell Landman Central what each document is going to be generated for. This can be title members or leases. Since we only have title member text identifiers in our text editor, the only option given to us is title member. Selecting title member tells Landman Central that each document generated will be populated with data from different title members. To select those title members, first we need to say what type of property we're generating this document for. This is going to be surface. And as you can see, when we scroll down, we now get a list of title members specific to this tract with ownership already calculated for the selected property type. We're going to select the first two title members. And now that we've selected some data to generate documents for, you can see this green button, Generate and Download Instruments, has become available to click. We're going to click that, and a zip file will be generated called Tract 1, which is the name of the tract we're generating these documents for. When we save the zip file and open it, you'll see two documents in there. Each document has a different name, beginning with the tract name, an underscore, and the name of the object you generated the document for. You can see here each of our title members have been represented. Upon opening the first Word document, you can see the information populated is specific to the first title member we selected. And upon opening the second document, you can see the information has changed to reflect that of the second title member selected. This has been a tutorial on how to create documents in the Landman Central Document Generator. Thank you for watching.